Hi, my name is Linda, and this short video is an update on my previous video on Sun Salutations. If you haven't seen that video, I'll post a link to it at the end of this video. So this is a way to make the Sun Salutation even more upper body and arm strengthening. And that is to replace the 8-point posture with a posture called Chaturanga. So the way we do Chaturanga is we come into it from the plank position. Out from plank, you bend the elbows, bring your torso down, chest does not touch the mat, chin does not touch the mat, your shoulders are pulled back, and your elbows are tucked tightly against your rib cage. And then to release, you inhale, you come into up dog, and then you would come into down dog and continue with the flow of the Sun Salutation. So I'll do just one Sun Salutation so you can see how we use Chaturanga. Feet together, hands in prayer. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale and arch back. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, swan dive down, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward fold. Step the right foot back, lunge. Exhale, plank. Keeping the breath out, bend the elbows, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog, 6 full breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, right foot forward, lunge. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stretch up, palms together. Exhale, palms down. So an important thing to keep in mind, just as in the 8-point posture, with Chaturanga, it's very important that the elbows stay tucked in with. With your hands in this position, you don't want the elbows to start splaying outward. It's a lot of pressure on the wrists, and it will make the wrists very, very uncomfortable. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for joining me. Namaste.